Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently some of my friends have been asking me about a PC build about around 25,000 or 30,000 with including a monitor. So I have come up with a PC build. It's not at all for like intensive gaming. It's just for regular game, casual gaming. For a 25,000 bill you should never go for external graphics card. That might cost a lot. So here I took the AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. This Ryzen processor is around 8500, and it comes with an internal GPU. This internal GPU is pretty much faster than the latest Intel inbuilt graphics card. It can outrun the Intel UHD graphics card and even the Intel HD graphics cards. So it gives a really good performance. You can run GTA 5 at 720p at 40 to 50 frames. That is really good. And this CPU comes with 4 cores, and that is really good. And so for the motherboard, I'm going with the Asus Prime A320M. It supports up to 32 GB of RAM, and it has LAN and SATA SSD support. So for 4,935 rupees, it's just great. So after we go from this, we are going with the Seagate Maxter. This is the SSD 240 GB for 2,990, the cheapest SSD you can get right now, and it's up to 6 GB per second of speed for your computer. Guys, one thing, SSDs give a fast performance compared to the hard drives, and you can go with the hard drive for more capacity, but I don't prefer going with hard drive. Running it on SSD and hard drive is completely different. I mean, the startup, when you start the computer, running on the SSD might turn on the PC like around 20 to 25 seconds. Going with the hard drive might take about 1 minute. Who knows? So it'll give a faster loading time for all the games and all. And next we are going with this case, Chiptronics. So we are going with the case X410B, and this comes with a pre-installed one fan, a single fan. That is a lot. You don't require 2 or 3 fans for a small build, and this is really a good PC you're getting for 2,099 rupees. This is the best and the coolest you can get right now. And now for the power supply, we're going with the Corsair CV450. This is a basic thing. You don't get a 350 power supply right now at present times. They're not in sale from a long time. So I'm going to the CV450. It's 4,000 rupees, and it's not over during our budget. And for the RAM here, I'm going with the Crucial RAM. This Crucial RAM is 2666 megahertz. That is actually good, because most of the laptops don't get that much high megahertz RAM. They get around 1800 to 2400, but some good laptops get that. And laptops, in the sense, if you are going to buy a laptop, you will get Intel graphics card and all the waste stuff. For 4 GB RAM, they'll cost you like 40 to 50,000. It's just waste. Don't go with that. I'm telling you to go with the PC, because PC gives you better performance than a laptop. You can use the same CPU, motherboard, everything, not motherboard, the CPU, and a better motherboard. It will cost less, because laptops are too costly. You can go with 8 GB or 16 GB RAM instead of going with the 4 GB laptop. I prefer not going with laptop, but if you travel a lot, that is good. So with this 8 GB RAM, you can stream some games, play a lot. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you like this build, and if you want more builds, more PC builds, and just keep the price range, and I will definitely try my best to do that. Thank you.